are in building 27 of the fall section villas. It's very beautiful here. These are 2 stories. You have 2 rooms, villas at the bottom, and you have 2 villas up top. We are actually on the first level, which I am so thankful for. So as we go through the back, there's one more door beside us. We are 335. Let's go and check it out. As we go inside, we have a beautiful sitting room, dining room area. We have a beautiful painting on the walls. Hello. So this is our sitting area here. Then we have another station here if someone's here to do work. A big, beautiful mirror on the wall. A sitting area with a sofa. And we have 2 nice chairs. There are lamps on both sides of the sofa. And then you have your entertainment system here. And there's a Bose surround sound system and a DVD player. Then we have our outdoor space, which is very beautiful. We'll take you out there. Have a really nice outdoor area. It is screened in, which is very nice. And there's a hammock out there. And we have grills, a little seating area. So this is very nice.
You can go outside and go to the hammock.
I'll probably go later. Then as you turn around, we have our kitchen area here. You have a seating area, your breakfast nook area. It's located here. This is a fully equipped kitchen. You have your stove, microwave, coffee maker, sink, dishwasher, and a full-size fridge. They also have supplied us with everything that we need. If we need to cook anything, things are located there. Let's see, we have plates and bowls, cups. Everything is there. If you want to make a casserole dishes are there. Here are alcohol wipes. We needed to use those. Your sanitized sanctuary, it'll let you know everything that they did. Then they have coffees and teas in this Ziploc, and they are Starbucks. Salt and pepper, sweet and low, very nice. Little station there. There's also a garbage disposal. Then they leave you paper towels with dishwashing soap for your machine, your rags, everything that you need to clean, which is very nice. All right, so this is how the room looks from the kitchen. Very big and spacious. This is how the room looks from the front door area. And as we go around, let's go to the bedrooms. Now, this is a 2-bedroom villa, but what do we see? A washer and dryer. Amazing. Now we can make sure our clothes are washed and dry before we take them back home. So they give you your detergent to go with. Very nice setup there. So as we go to the left of the room, We have more of the master bedroom. Now you can shut this area off if you wanted to from the rest of the house, which I think is really nice. The master bedroom is on this side. When you first come in, you go to your right, and here is your sink area, your prepping area here. Very nice section. The closet area. Very big closet. It's a very deep closet. It goes way, way back. Then you have a full-size mirror. You can check yourself out, which is really nice. There I see a hair dryer at the bottom if you need it. And they have this sink with your Kleenex and your soaps. You have a makeup mirror here on the side and your towels. Now let's go into the bathroom of the king size area here. So there's your sink, a beautiful mirror, your light. Let's go back. This is how it looks when you first go into the bathroom. The shower is humongous, okay? On the door, they have your floor mat and your soap. And then your shower. Huge, guys. This is a huge, huge shower. Beautiful walk-in shower. Nice that they have a handlebar there for you to hold on to. So that's how it looks. You have a light up at the top. Very, very nice. Very nice sloped shower. And on the other side of it is the special place. And there are more towels and rags here. So this is behind the bathroom door. Now let's head to the master king side of the villa. So I'm going to show you how the room looks from when you first walk in. Very nice, very spacious. Another big, beautiful television. So there are 3 TVs in this villa. Nice dressers. Beautiful chair here. Then you have a lamp, nightstand. There's your other lamp and nightstand and a big king-size bed. You have your ceiling fan up top and your lights are there. Very big and spacious in here. There's a beautiful picture there. And you have a big window. And then you have another exit out on the patio. So you have an exit also out on the patio from the king size. I would call this like the master bedroom and from the living room space. It's going to be on the other side of the hall. So remember, this is your main entrance to come in. On the other side of the hall, they have beautiful pictures on the walls. This is the second bathroom. Yes, it has 2. And this one is very big as well. So this is how it looks when you first come in.
It has a jet tub.
Yes, she is so excited about this big jet tub.
I ain't gonna use it though.
Very nice. Nice shower head. Have another bar so you can get in and out safely. Area here. Towels and rags. And this is your sink area. Very nice sink area as well. With your big mirror. There's your lights. Okay, as we walk out, oh, we have a hook for your clothing, so you won't have to put it on the floor. As we walk out, oh, mind you, all of the bedrooms have ceiling fans as well. This is your second bedroom to the villa. Also has another huge television here. Now this one is a 2 twin bed in this second bedroom. Another big huge closet is there. Beautiful pictures on the wall, and there's a big window with beautiful curtains. All right, so and there you have it, just a really quick tour of this 2-bedroom villa at the Sheraton Resort. We are so happy that we chose it here. It's so nice. I'm sure we will be coming back. There are ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. There are 2 bathrooms. There are 3 huge televisions. Everything is updated. It's remodeled. Everything looks really great. So if you are in this area and you have a big family, this villa sleeps 6. So if you have a big family and you need somewhere for everyone to stay, this is a great option. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you all. Live, dream, believe Disney, and have a great one.